Hello, beautiful fellow yogis. Take the next 10 minutes for yourself to focus on the movement of your body and your breath. You won't need any equipment for this vinyasa flow, but feel free to grab any that you might like, and let's talk to our mats. Okay, beautiful yogi, please come to the front of your mat. Knees are soft. Ground yourself in your mountain pose here. Feeling the connection with the earth beneath you, perhaps rolling your shoulders back. Letting the weight of the world drop off those shoulders as you mentally enter your yoga sanctuary. All you need to do for the next 10 minutes is be one with your motion, your body, and your breath. Bring your hands to heart center to form an intention for your practice. And let's begin our flow, starting with a sun salutation A and adding on to it. Inhale, reach up tall, reach yourself an inch taller, and then come forward. And since it's our first forward fold, we're going to loosen up here. Inhaling as you come to a flat spine. Exhaling as you release. Inhale, flat spine. Exhale, release. Inhale, flat spine. Exhale. You can bend your knees if you wish to bring your palms to the mat. Step back to plank. You can drop your knees if you wish to chaturanga, or hug your elbows in, come down. Come into your up dog, and then meet me in your down dog. And again, since it's our first one, take a second to adjust by bending your knees, shift your hips up a little. You can walk it out a little bit here if that feels good for you. And then with your next inhale, lift that right leg up. And then bring it on through, not quite all the way to your hands, about 3 feet apart with your feet. Your back heel pivots in. Come on up, sticking up that hip. We're going to lean down into triangle. You may wish to use a block here. Can reach for the toe. Really try to open through the chest, look up towards that hand, take a few breaths. Soften your knees slightly as you come up out of this one with an inhale. Exhale as you pivot. Come on down, take a rotated triangle. Here's where you really might want to use a block. Bringing the opposite hand to the outside of that foot. Breathe into the move here. And then inhale, come up. Widen your stance just a little and bend this front leg. Come into what I call the amazing Spider-Man or Skandasana. Take a breath or two here. Opening up through the knee and the inner thigh. And then come walking up into a wide leg forward fold. Let yourself extend down here. Before softening your knees, rounding it up, open your chest wide, bring your hands behind you. Look up as you open the chest, and then come leaning forward. Opening the shoulders, opening the hamstrings, breathing, tuning into your body. And then come on up. We're going to go to this side of your mat. So dive down into a low lunge facing the opposite direction on your mat. Lift up this back arm, reach, 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 open through the whole body. And then just let this back knee come down and go into your Anjaneyasana. And from here, lean on back and take a little half split. Breathe here. And then watch what we're going to do. Come forward as this leg goes back. You land in all fours. Give me a cat-cow or two. Then you're gonna give me a bird dog to either side. You're gonna test your proprioception. You're gonna reach back, try to grab that knee, give it a good stretch. And then try that on the other side with the next breath. And from here, just release down, tuck your toes, and press up into a down dog on the other side of your mat. Now you can choose to hop it forward, or you can just come walking forward, coming into a flat spine before surrendering. Soften your knees, and come rounding up, look up, and take a mindful pause at heart center. Check in with yourself. How do you feel? Compare the two sides of your body. And let's get that on the other side. Inhale up. Exhale, surrender, forward fold. Inhale to a flat spine. I'll show you a hop this time, but you can step through your chaturanga, through your up dog, and meeting me in your down dog. This time it's the left leg that comes up. And as you bring it through, plant it again just behind those hands. Pivot the back foot. Cartwheel yourself up, sticking out that hip. And then come down into your triangle. Opening through the chest here. Again, you can be holding further up on your calf. You can use a block. Bend your front knee slightly as you come out. Helicopter your body around. And then take a revolve triangle. Come on up in center. Dive down as you lean towards this back leg this time. Come into that amazing Spider-Man or your Skandasana. And then come up to the center. Take a wide leg forward fold for a breath or two. And then come up. Open your chest nice and wide. Interlace those fingers behind you. Open the chest. And take that wide leg again. Come rounding up from this one. We're going back to the front of our mats. So you're gonna dive down to a low lunge on the front of your mat. Open this up, reach, 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 reach. Before bringing that back knee down and taking your Anjaneyasana. And from here, press back, take your half split. And then come forward as you bring this leg back so you land in all fours. Give me a cat-cow or two. And then we're going to take that bird dog to either side with that little reach. If you want to add it, you can just take a regular bird dog if you wish. Or you can give that leg a little stretch. And then take it to the other side. Again, you can stay here. Or you can test your proprioception. Tune into your body. Do what feels right for it today. And from here, let's press ourselves up. Coming into our down dog. And we're just going to walk it forward to have a seat. Right in the front of our center of our mats. Take a second to check in with yourself. How are you feeling now versus where you began? Giving a moment of gratitude for your ability to move and adjust your mood and mindset through healthful means. Let's seal our practice by taking a nice deep breath. Inhale. Tap your forehead to remind you to be mindful of your thoughts. Your lips for mindfulness of speech. And your heart in gratitude for your practice. We at Only in Sedona Yoga are always grateful to you. Please help us continue to grow. It is totally free by subscribing to our channel. Hit the bell so that you get notifications of our new workouts. We release our weekly Wednesday shorts each Wednesday, and we do a sober Saturday, restorative, all-seated, gentle yoga and meditation. So please tune in for that. Check the description of this video. Visit our websites, onlyinsedona.com and talktothemat.com. And our toll-free number is also below, so if you're coming out to Sedona or interested in one-on-one virtual yoga instruction, get in touch. Thank you.